Hello and welcome to this video on kinetic energy, where we will discuss what kinetic energy is and the variables that affect it. Kinetic energy is the name given to the store of energy that every moving object has. As an object gets faster, energy is transferred into the kinetic store and the store increases. As the object gets slower, energy is transferred from the store and the store decreases. In this system, the ball is falling. As it accelerates, because of gravity acting on it, it gets faster, and so its kinetic store increases. As a quick note, the energy goes into a different store. It's still accounted for, but we're concentrating only on the kinetic energy for this video. Kinetic energy is also affected by the mass of a moving object. The larger the mass, the larger the store of kinetic energy. As a quick note, mass is the amount of matter a thing is made of, and it's measured in kilograms. In the system of the dropped ball, if we replace the ball with one that has more mass, even more energy is transferred into the kinetic store as it falls. In this system, the car slows down because the brakes are being applied. As the car slows, energy is being transferred out of the kinetic energy store, and so the store decreases. As before in this system, the car slows down because the brakes are being applied. As the car slows, energy is being transferred out of the kinetic energy store, and so the store decreases. If the car has a larger mass than before, it will take a longer time to lose its kinetic energy. As we have seen, kinetic energy depends on the velocity, speed in a given direction, and the mass of a moving object. The faster the object, the greater the kinetic energy, and the larger the mass, the greater the kinetic energy. The relationship between these variables is as follows, and it's one that you will have to remember for the exam. Kinetic energy equals 0.5 times the mass times the velocity squared. Or in symbols, E subscript k equals 1/2 mv squared. The units for kinetic energy are the joule, mass is in kilograms, velocity is in meters per second. In the next video, we will look at how to use this equation. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for listening.